Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I am wanting to give you guys an update of the Iceriver KS3M, the $9,000 KS3M back in January 8th of 2024. That's when I started mining with this thing. Just giving you guys a 4-month update. All right, 4 months of mining with this KS3M. I want to show you guys how much we've mined in terms of the yield. We're doing the mining test of mining and hodling all the Kaspa that this is mining up until we hit that break even of $9,000, all right, or all that I'm holding. When that value goes up to at least $9,000, I will be giving away this Iceriver KS3M. All right, I've already announced this many times before, and I'd say we're more than halfway there now. Let me just show you the yield on kaspapool.org. That's where I am mining with this. So far, this thing has mined 43,032 Kaspa. All right, as of recording, it's about 51, 56 worth. All right, $5,000 worth of Kaspa. Okay, so what's it gonna take for this to get, to hit that break even? Well, Kaspa's price has to go up. It has to price appreciate in order for the yield that I've been mining and holding. Kaspa price has to go up. So this video, I'm just gonna do some, cost basis analysis, also future price prediction type of way in which the yield that I'm mining, how much more does the price of Kaspa have to go up for me to break even on that, and then finally give away the Iceriver KS3M. When I say finally, it's like not even that long. It's only been like 4 months and I think 7 days since I started, as of recording, mining and holding the yield from this Kaspa KS3M. So I mean, already $5,000 worth out of 9,000. We're hitting up pretty close. So if in the next couple weeks, or maybe in the next couple months, is Kaspa gonna go up and price appreciate, then I'm gonna hit that break even a lot sooner. Then we can give this bad boy away. All right, my friends, this is for all of you guys, all you Kaspa diehard miners. Really, the reason why I'm doing this whole test is because for those that may have bought, I don't know what batch number this is, January, beginning of January, when I purchased this. And Kaspa mining at that time, since January, Kaspa mining for ASIC miners has been out since like, I think May or June, right? June, I think one of the first batch KS1s came out, right? Then July, September, KS0s, October, November, December. Now it's January that I received one of these KS3Ms, $9,000 value at that time. So I'm just doing this test here for those that may have invested into Kaspa ASIC miners, doing an actual real test of mining and holding and seeing when we will hit that break even. Okay, but I want to do some cost analysis with you guys in terms of if I were to sell the Kaspa every day. Okay, so I do have some cost basis information I've imported into Coinly, a tax software that I want to show you guys. So interesting numbers to look at, whether or not, mining or holding or selling every day, just to see that comparison as of now. But of course, I know a lot of you guys that are into Kaspa believe that Kaspa will price appreciate a lot more. Whether or not Kaspa will go on a tier 1 exchange or KRC20, all those types of milestones, along with the aggressive emission schedule, the supply decrease, is that all going to be bullish for Kaspa's price? So let's go into the computer and I'll show you guys the numbers. Okay, my friends. So here is Coinly.io. This is the software I use for my crypto taxes, right? In Canada, I pay income tax on all the mined coins that I mine. Not tax advice, go talk to your CPA. Anyways, I have imported all the transactions here, and actually Coinly is great because they just added Kaspa. All right, you don't have to import a CSV. They actually have Kaspa here, and they will automatically get all the transactions and put it right here, like so. You guys can see, okay? And just to show you guys the beginning of when I started this whole thing, my first transaction was 500 Kaspa, January 9th, 2024. Okay, so it's about 4 months and 7 or 8 days now since we've been mining with this KS3M. Okay, and here's the pool here. And I know we just garnered another 500 Kaspa because I'm recording this the next day. And yeah, but anyways, 43,532.9 Kaspa. As of right now, this is now worth, looks like the value went up because the price of Kaspa also has been going up over the past day a bit here, but it's worth $5,300, $5,323. When I imported it here into Coinly, okay, this is where I'm going to get into some fun theoretical stuff and why we are doing the whole mining and holding method. Okay, so first things first, my cost basis of the Kaspa that I've mined thus far is $5,706. So if I sold every single day, the cost basis is the time where I received the coins into my own wallet, and that is the market value, okay, of the received coin. So that's my initial cost basis here. So if I sold every single day, every time I got a payout, like since January 9th, then that would be worth $5,706. But since I've been holding, all right, mining and holding, this whole bag is now worth $5,375. So it's down 5.8% from my initial cost basis here of every time I got a payout. So hopefully that makes sense to you all. This is basically my income, all right, where I have to pay taxes on this. And if I'm holding it for like another year or more, obviously, then I'm going to have to come up with the, actually I pay taxes quarterly. So I have to come up with the money out of my own pocket or some other way that I make money to pay the taxes for this. Anyways, not tax advice. Anyways, going here, okay, so as of right now, okay, with the Kaspa price where it is now, if I were to sell it now, I would lose against my cost basis. So in this regard, as of right now, as of recording, it would have been best to sell all the Kaspa that I've been, I guess, you know, all the way running up when Kaspa went to 17 cents or 18 cents or whatever, all the way down to 12 cents. So as of this point in time, as of right now, as you're looking at this, it would have been better to sell every day. But we are not going to sell right now. Everyone understands that I am going to be, or everyone that understands with Kaspa, that if Kaspa is going to one day price appreciate a lot more, people are predicting $1, $2, $3, and $4, $5, whatever. That's where we're going to get into some speculative math here. Okay, let's get into some panda math. So because I've been holding this Kaspa still, 43,532. Okay, so let's get the panda calculator. Going to put that in here. So this is where we're going to just speculate here. What if Kaspa went to 50 cents? Okay, let's times this by 50 cents. That would be worth $21,766. As of, you know, just doing a theoretical thing here, what if Kaspa went to 50 cents? Okay, that's just a speculating. Okay, what if Kaspa went to $1? All right, that would be $43,532. It'd be like I've already mined $43,000 worth of Kaspa with this KS3M over the past 4 months. Isn't that crazy to think about? Or, okay, maybe a bit too far-fetched. People are saying, what if Kaspa went to $3? Wow. Well, this bag that I have here could be worth maybe $130,000. And that is what that's why I'm mining and holding, because time and time again, we've seen these types of scenarios play out, right? Mining and holding has been one of the best strategies when it comes to crypto mining. Okay, I think everyone knows that. So now, okay, because I'm giving this away, all right, at $9,000, when this bag is worth $9,000, when will this be worth $9,000? So let's just do some fun theoretical thing here, okay? When I give this away, okay, when I hit 9,000, 9 grand, the break-even point. So this is how much Kaspa I have right now. What if Kaspa is right now 12 cents? Okay, 12 cents. So what price does Kaspa have to go to for us to give this, you know, $9,000 KS3M away? So I'm going to times this by, let's just say 13 cents. Okay, we'd be at $56,000. All right, let's keep going. Let's go up another cent. What if we times this by 14? Okay, $6,000. Okay, well, let's just time this by 17 cents. Okay, we're getting close, $7,400. All right, let's do, what if Kaspa went to 19 cents? All right, 82.71. We're almost there. Okay, so times 20 cents. Okay, almost there. Let's keep going up. Times 22 cents. Oops, 0.22. Oh, nope. Times 0.22. There we go. 9,500. Okay, So Kaspa would need to realistically go to around times, let's say 21 cents. Kaspa needs to go to 21 cents for me to give this KS3M away. Okay. Is that not too far-fetched to think about? That could happen pretty soon? Or is Kaspa going to go down and I'm still going to be mining with this KS3M for the next year? I don't know. That's why I am doing this test here. And this is just something fun to think about, because if someone typically bought one of these KS3Ms back in January, then, you know, they're in the same boat as I am currently, right? We haven't gotten our initial investment back. It's only been about 4 months. So realistically, in the next, I'm saying, gonna say the next 5 or 6, 7 months, we should hit that break-even point if Kaspa stays at these relative price here, but it won't. It's probably gonna go down or gonna go up. I don't know. That's all gonna depend on a lot of catalysts, a lot of milestones. People are talking about KRC20 for Kaspa. People are also talking about Kaspa's gonna go to tier 1 exchange. Is that going to raise the price of Kaspa? You know, is that gonna be the catalyst for the price of Kaspa to go up even more? The Bitcoin bull run, Bitcoin's gonna go up. Generally, everything goes up. You know, all these types of variables that could happen for the Kaspa's price to go up is what coincides with my play here, in which I'm hoping, right? Man, if Kaspa went to $1, 43 grand would be nice. But anyways, that's why I am doing this test here, guys. Okay. And for anyone that wants to sign up for Coinly, I have a link down below, and let me know what you guys think. What I have just done here, is it something that is too far-fetched, or you guys think this is a possibility that, you know, the amount that I see here, and if Kaspa goes up much higher in price, I will come back to this. We're going to come back to Coinly, and we could potentially see you know, 9,000, we hit $9,000, or, you know, $20,000 or $43,000 of Kaspa went to $1, you know, right? But I'm, of course, still accumulating the Kaspa as we keep going up here and mining. But that is why I am trying to hit that break even. And then we're also going to give this KS3M away. Okay, guys? So let me know your guys' thoughts. Are you guys bullish on Kaspa? Bearish? You guys think I'm ever going to hit the $9,000 break even? You guys let me know. Let me know down below. I'm just doing this for fun and entertainment purposes. I guess we'll see what happens, but I appreciate you all. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.